Hello, dear students. How are you? I wish you are well. So today in this topic we will discuss about two-dimensional shapes. Now, what are the two-dimensional shapes? What is the definition? So two-dimensional shapes are the figures which can be drawn in the plane. Like what are the examples? The examples are circle, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, etc. So one by one we will discuss about this. Now first, circle. Now what is circle? Circle is the closed figure which are surrounded by so many points and which these points are equidistant from another point which is called the center. So center is the part of a circle and some another parts are the radius. Now radius is the distance from center to its circumference and it is denoted by small r. Now another part is diameter. So diameter is the distance or the maximum distance. It is the maximum chord actually which passes through the center and it is two times of the radius of the circle. So diameter is the two times its radius. Okay, so or we can say that radius is half of the diameter. So we have discussed the part of the circle in radius and diameter. Now the next is chord. What is the chord? Chord is the part of circumference of a circle. Okay, for example, and the circumference is the uh, curve drawn with the help of all the points around the circle. Okay, so circumference, what is the formula of circumference of a circle? The circumference of a circle, its formula is C equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Okay, where value of pi is 22 upon 7 and sometimes we will take the value of pi 3.14 approx. So if you have to calculate the formula, if you have to calculate the circumference of a circle, then you will take this formula C equal to 2 pi r. Now next formula is the area of the circle. Area is represented by A or capital A mostly. So what is the area? Area around the circumference of a circle is called area under the circumference of a circle is called the area of the circle. Okay, now now if you will take area, if you will take these lines, then these are the area of the circle. If you draw this line, then it is the area of the circle. So area of the circle is denoted by capital A. Its formula is pi r square. Pi r square, where value of pi is already we have discussed. Just its value is 22 upon 7. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14 sometimes. Okay, so these are a brief summary about the circle. Now the next figure is triangle. So triangle is also two-dimensional figure, or triangle is a closed figure which is made of the three sides. It is made of three sides. So there are so many types of triangles. So many types of triangles like equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. So these are some different types of triangle. We will discuss on later about the types of triangle in the next video. So in a triangle, In a triangle there are three vertex. So these are the vertex. In this triangle there are three vertex and three sides. Number of sides are three in the triangle. Okay, and the three interior angle. Three interior angle. So in a triangle there are three vertex. Number of vertex are three. Number of sides are three, and number of interior angles are three. Now come to the next figure. Square. Now the next figure is square. What is square? Square is the quadrilateral. It is a type of quadrilateral. Now what is the definition of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a two-dimensional figure which is surrounded by four number of sides. Okay, so in the types of quadrilateral, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, etc. are there. So in this square, some characteristics are there. So in the square, all its four sides are equal. Okay, all its four sides are equal. So all these four sides are equal. Now, what is the perimeter of the square? What is the perimeter of the square? So perimeter is generally denoted by capital P, and it is the sum of all the sides of square. So suppose the side is represented by small a, then its perimeter will be 4 into a, 4a. Clear? Now the area of the square. What is the formula of the area of the square? So area of square formula of the area of the square is side into side. Suppose side is represented by small a, then small a into small a, then it will be a square. So what is the formula of area square? A square. Okay, where a is the side of the square. So these are some general formula of the perimeter and square area of the square. Now come to the next figure number 4, rectangle. Rectangle is a type of quadrilateral which opposite sides are parallel and equal. So in this figure of rectangle, opposite sides, suppose this is the rectangle, we named it AB, C, D. So its opposite side AB equal to CD. AB is equal to CD, and similarly AD is equal to BC. So its opposite sides are equal, AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. Some other properties of this rectangle are its interior angle. Each interior angle is right angle. So its interior angle is right angle. What is interior angle? Now angle made on the interior part of this figure. These are the right angle and its value is 90 degree. So in this rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal, and each interior angle is a right angle. So these are the properties of rectangle. And its diagonals bisect to each other. Now what is the diagonal? So in the rectangle, one corner to other corner, this line segment which joins two opposite vertex are the diagonal. Similarly here, these are the diagonal. These diagonals are intersect at this point O. Okay, so both the diagonal bisect to each other. It means both the diagonals bisect equally to each other. Now come to the next figure. Pentagon. Pentagon is the type of polygon. Okay. Now what is the polygon? Polygon is a closed figure made of at least three sides. So this is the types of polygon. So triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, etc. are the types of polygon. So in this pentagon, number of sides are 5. There are 5 number of sides. If we can represent it with the small letter n, so value of n will be 5 here. So in pentagon, how many sides are there? 5. Now the regular pentagon, it means all the sides will be equal. All the five sides will be equal and all the interior angle will be equal. So it is called the regular polygon. So interior angle, this five interior angle and five number of sides. So number of sides are equal length, or we can say that equal, and number of interior angle also equal. So these are the regular pentagon. Now a regular hexagon. In the regular hexagon, first of all, how many sides are there in hexagon? So there are six number of sides in the regular hexagon or simple hexagon. So in regular hexagon, all the six sides will be equal and all the six interior angle will be equal. So, and each interior angle will be, how can you calculate? You will calculate by divide this 360 degree to how many sides are there? 6. So each interior angle in the hexagon is 60 degree. In case of pentagon, each interior angle will be, how can you calculate? 360 degree divided by 5. So it will be 72 degree. So each angle in a pentagon will be 72 degree. So in this video, come to the next. Similarly, heptagon. So there are 7 number of sides are there. How many sides are there? 7. So n equal to 7. Okay, you can calculate this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many sides are there? 7 sides are there. So in a heptagon there are 7 number of sides. Similarly, heptagon there are the 8 number of sides. In nanogon there are the 9 number of sides. In the decagon, next figure is the decagon. So in this decagon there are the n number of sides. So what is the value of n? N equal to 10. So you can calculate this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it is called decagon. So in this video we have discussed about simple two-dimensional figures and their basic definition and simple characteristics. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much for this watching video. Thank you.